Hello, class! Today we're going to learn about living and non-living things. We're going to talk about what are the differences between these two things. Is there a difference between living and non-living things? Let's keep going to find out. There is a difference between living and non-living things. So living things generally respond to their environment. So for a worm, if you poke it, it'll squirm around. But if you poke a tree, it's not going to squirm, but it still responds to the environment. A tree will die if it doesn't have, sunlight or water from the environment. Living things have to have the ability to reproduce and make babies. They never stop growing, and they are energy processors, so they have lots of energy. Here are some qualities of non-living things. Um, First of all, there's no response to stimulation. You're going to go outside, you poke a rock. That rock is not going to squirm, it's not going to respond. A rock is not affected by the weather or the environment around it. It just doesn't feel anything. It's just a rock. It's non-living. They don't require food or energy. You don't have to feed your rock, and they do not reproduce. Unfortunately, there are no rock babies. What is another word for a living thing? An organism. Say it with me. Organism. Organism is another word for a living thing. It's the scientific word, so we're going to use that word from here on out to say living thing. Here are a few things that organisms need to survive. They need air, so an organism needs to be able to breathe. Even trees breathe. Trees are living. We breathe the air around us. They need air to survive. They need water. Plants need water. People need water. Animals need water. All organisms need water to survive. And the last thing is food. Although not all organisms eat birthday cake like I have in my slide, they all need food. You eat food. I eat food. Even plants eat food in the dirt. They need it to survive. Okay, class, we're going to go through and we're going to identify what is an organism and what is a non-living thing. All right, so first we have a person. Is a person an organism or a non-living thing? I think I'm an organism. People are organisms. They need food, water, and air to survive. Next, we have a pencil. Let's think about a pencil. Is a pencil an organism? No, a pencil is non-living. It doesn't need food, water, and air. And it doesn't reproduce. No pencil babies. Next is a teddy bear. That's a hard one, because as much as we'd like to think that our teddy bears are living, they are non-living things. Teddy bears do not need water and food and air to survive. Next is our mushroom. This one is hard because a mushroom is a plant. Are plants organisms? Yes, they are organisms. So a mushroom is an organism. Next, we have a shirt. Look down at your shirt. Do you think your shirt is an organism or a non-living thing? I sure hope it's a non-living thing. Your shirt is a non-living thing. It's not an organism. Next is a puppy dog. Oh, so cute. Do puppy dogs need food, water, and air to survive? Yeah, I think I feed my puppy dog every night and he drinks water, and yeah, dogs are organisms. And lastly, we have grass. Is grass an organism or non-living? Grass is a plant. It grows from the ground and it feeds off of the dirt. It needs food, water, and air. Therefore, grass is an organism. All right, finally, we're just going to do some takeaways. A few takeaways from today is a living thing is also called an organism. A non-living thing doesn't respond to stimuli, need food, or reproduce. Remember, rocks don't move, they don't have babies, and they don't eat food. Third, We find living and non-living things all around us. We could go on a scavenger hunt right now and categorize everything in our room as living or non-living. And lastly, living things need air, water, and food. Have a great day!